Actually, for the small...
One of the stream room that I was talking about, if we got a couch...
The small room, right?
Yeah, the small one, if we got a couch that turns into a...
I look so zesty right now, I'm so sorry.
Do you see yourself?
I wanted to try it out, but I didn't.
Go ahead,
You looked very comfortable.
It's good, it feels great.
Wow.
And it's super soft.
It's a Tempur-Pedic.
Is it?
Yeah, Tempur.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's probably $5,000 just for the mattress.
Let's see.
And this thing folds back up into here.
Yeah, okay, question. How do you put it together?
What do you mean?
Probably just pick it up.
Yeah, pick it up and just put it in there.
Yeah, it like folds in half.
Can we do that?
How you doing today?
Oh, hello.
How you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Okay. Yeah, we're just wondering, can we put it in there, like, or just like?
Yeah, I can display it for you if you're interested.
Sweet.
That would
That'd be very kind, yeah.
Okay, you're good. I know. Here, let me listen.
He's from Germany. He doesn't know how these things work. You know, they don't have that over there.
I'll just set these aside for y'all. It's pretty easy. The pillows are just simply at the moment. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Wow, watch this and look how easy this is.
And you can use those as pillows.
Yeah,
Well-
you basically layer it as like a headboard.
Oh, okay. Those are decorative.
Oh, you moved the entire...
And that's another bed.
Okay.
Oh, I think...
No, I'm being honest.
That's decorative, Dean. You don't use
No,
that.
but
It's
I'm
like the
just saying, once
decorative
again, this is after the
towels.
award show and everybody's like, you know.
See, look how easy that is. Boom. And then all of a
Oh,
sudden...
wow. Wait, I actually liked it a lot more than I thought I did.
I don't have the biggest wingspan, so give me some.
No worries, no worries.
Oh, no worries.
No, we're so sorry we're like making you do...
No, you're good. I do this all day. You're totally
Look at this.
This is good. What is this starting out as? This is nice.
Special trade pricing up to 50% off.
charming little cylindrical pillows.
Yeah, let's see. Dean,
Nice.
See, I'm telling you.
there you go.
Where does this go?
To the side.
Scoot over and we're going to sandwich you.
Dean looks stupid with the mic in his hair. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, Franca Seska.
So, I gotta say, the reason why I like this is I'm just, you know the room that you stay at right now?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine instead of like a queen bed in there, which takes up a lot of space, having this.
I got a little pricing. It used to be $4,300. Now it's about $2,600 rounding.
Oh,
That's
That's
not
actually a lot
bad
better.
at all. And how long is that deal lasting?
March 30th is the last day.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And that's without shipping and tax. Just as a heads up.
Oh
And
no,
then-
that's not enough time. We're streamers.
Okay.
We don't. That's not. Life just passed by us very quickly.
Oh, go ahead.
So about options when it comes to like boucle or other materials, is that gonna be extra or like?
There are different tier levels depending on like how durable the fabric is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we organize it more by color instead of the tier. Actually, I can give you the pricing and like the higher costing fabric just for reference.
Okay. No, this is fine fabric for the cats would be fine.
No, this is like actually like, because here's the deal. The one room downstairs is kind of like smaller, like the one that you're staying at right now.
There's like a front office that's a little bit smaller, but it could be utilized as like a side guest room if that many people came and stayed over.
Yeah.
Or even that.
Do you also want pricing in the memory foam mattress? There's also standard foam.
No, hold on now. Wait.
Wha-
Was that price with the Tempur-Pedic mattress?
It was with the standard foam.
Oh, that was with the standard foam.
No, you're good.
Oh, the one that we tried, was that the standard one or was that the?
That was the memory foam.
Okay.
No, you're good.
What was the Tempur-Pedic price?
So, for what it could be with the memory foam and the higher costing fabric, it can be about $2,600.
Oh.
But it used to be about $4,400.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay,
we're good.
yeah,
We're
yeah,
chill, we're
yeah.
chill. All right.
And then, yeah, I mean, honestly, just changing the color of this would be
You got all these options here. And if pets aren't concerned, the left side is kind of
than it is to go with something like this because in, let's say, like 5-10 years, you might outgrow it. Does that make sense?
I guess.
I mean, if you have a different opinion, but either way, these are the more pet-friendly ones.
As long as it's not that one. That one's the worst.
Yeah, that one's...
Oh yeah. Yeah. But I'm not joking. I didn't expect this like 2-in-1 because if you want to buy like a really affordable queen bed, which is not perfect at all, similar price.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And this literally, it fixes both and it makes the room so much more usable. It makes it so much more usable.
I'm telling you. And you don't have to commit. You don't have to commit to having a bed the entire time.
Oh my god, this thing, exactly this one in a different color was at the OTK house. I swear.
Yeah, we did have that.
Identical.
Yeah.
Like,
Really?
no,
What room?
identical.
Yeah.
I was moving that thing around so many times. I know it's the exact one. Is there a price
His
tag?
trauma.
I don't see no price tag on this one, but no, I remember one if I see one.
Okay, well,
Is
good.
this someone's mom, an interior designer? Why are we not asking her?
Oh.
No, interior designer would probably be a lot cheaper.
What, getting an interior designer?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, no, it'd be a lot cheaper. Because, well, if you get the ones that are good, you just give them a budget and they'll do everything for you.
So
Look at
where
this
do you?
one.
Where do they make the money?
Of course, it's gonna be a little bit on top, but like so basically, for instance, if you're about to spend 10K on the whole crib, right? You give you 11K, they go buy everything.
Where do you find these people?
Networking. I could find you. Well, I don't know about Austin.
ChatGPT.
I'm not.
Yeah, I
letting
was gonna say,
AI.
you got ChatGPT.
I'm not letting AI.
They usually actually do it.
Ooh,
To be
Cutie
fair-
Cinderella does one. You want to ask Blair?
She does furniture design, or she does interior
She
design.
does everything. She's an entrepreneur.
We're gonna have to drive her down though. She
The
doesn't
thing is
fly.
with Cutie, it's like
She doesn't fly.
No, she doesn't
Yeah.
fly.
The fuck does that
So
mean?
we'll have to go pick her up.
Cutie hasn't been in Austin in like 5 years.
I need to invite another girl next time.
Okay.
Don't. It's gotta ruin the cohesion. I like being the third wheel. It's good.
Okay. Well, I like that one. Honestly, we might come back.
No, that was actually great.
What about this one?
And the 30% off is till March 30th.
What-
Check that one out already?
This one's nice. I like that you can move the ottoman, but I wonder if the ottoman locks in.
I was gonna say if it doesn't lock, it's
Oh
like
no, hell no.
you don't wait. You don't like
Hell
it?
no, I don't fuck with this one.
Oh, it's a lot sturdier than I thought.
Like, this is a pagan couch.
A what?
Pegging couch?
No.
Oh.
Pagan.
Oh my god.
That's what I thought you said.
Did not say pagan.
I don't think it's that bad, but it's definitely not a couch that you want to like.
The thing is, like, a lot of times, I must admit though, sometimes you want a couch to be harder than you thought you do.
I can see that.
Yeah, sometimes you'd be sinking into couches and then,
And it's just almost uncomfortable because you're
Yeah,
kind of
I
like,
can see that.
"Oh."
yeah.
How much is this couch?
I don't know.
I think I gotta
They be hiding the
scan it.
prices. No, it's right there.
Oh, it is.
How much is it? 43.
But is that before or after?
Guys.
Oh, that's
That's before the. So
Before the discount?
25.
Oh, so they're like Joann's where they. It's like Joann's where they like
True. It's probably
have
like
really
26
high
or
prices
27.
and they give you like really killer sales. So you're like, yeah.
Okay,
Isn't
but
it good for today? Look at that. Tati, don't gas me up, girl. Okay.
no, but giving it a penny, these couches,
Yeah.
I like them just as much as from the other store, and they're like, cut the price in half.
Yeah. I mean, the other store had it 20% off also, but it just did.
Yeah, okay, 20% off 8K,
True.
and it's not the perfect couch that you want.
True.
Yeah, it's like an
True.
something
You
you
know.
can get off Facebook Marketplace. All right. Well,
Dan
let
man
me-
said, this is why I go through Costco.
I'm gonna, dude, I'm actually blown away by all the options that exist nowadays at even stores like Target and Walmart. When you go through the home section, it's so weird. But let me just take a photo,
Arthur's in his dad era.
and I will take a photo of the.
This one was, I really like the material on this one too. Except for when you put your hand this way. Oh, he's over here like freaking brushing and shit.
Yeah, now you're messing it up.
My bad.
I'm gonna just take a picture of the entire.
I would take
Couch.
a picture of the name of the couch too.
What's the name?
No, I don't think this is it.
No. Well, I think
I
if
don't know.
I think if I throw it in, it's like.
It's originally 4,000. The pink is cute too.
Oh, okay. I thought it's like you can open and close it. Oh no, but this one's really cool. I like this. It looks like hella scuffed, but it keeps its firmness where it's like always.
That's supposed to be a footrest.
Okay.
I'm not gonna lie. I gotta start making like furniture shit.
Baking?
No, making furniture shit. I'm just gonna make trash bags and make it as a footrest. Like, bro.
Hey, this looks good. Or is it the folds that are not consistent for you that is bothering
it's
you?
just like
Kinda
this
looks
looks like
like-
two
kinda looks-
Kirby plushies
I was about to say,
stacked
kinda-
together.
Like, it looks like a camel toe from like one end.
Could be many things.
All right.
No, but this one, like, I'm not joking. Like, guaranteed the question is not if, it's just like when. Unless we find something that's like, oh, it just
The
by
thing is,
design
this
looks
isn't
better.
really this is definitely not a living room couch.
No,
this
no,
is
no.
like a side, so it doesn't even solve like the.
Yeah, it's not like a
main problem.
priority. I know.
I mean, kind of.
Kinda.
For the price, maybe. But also, is there other fold-out couches
Yeah.
that are even more like affordable but higher quality?
Okay, if there's one thing,
The color of this is ugly, chat. Yeah.
like, don't get me wrong. If there's one thing about like other stores like IKEA and stuff, that shit just don't last.
Like 15 years old, that couch that's in my living room right now. Granted, it's now fraying and stuff like that, but after 15 years, I'd say that's a pretty good purchase.
Mm.
All right.
No, I like it a lot. This carpet, you know what's
No.
funny about this one? At first I thought it's like maybe dirt or whatever, but it's like part of the design. It almost looks like.
That's the new design, so you don't know if it's dirt or the design.
Really?
So it hides it.
Like actually?
I'm assuming.
By the way, guys, I need new Crocs. Look at what Chewy did to my Croc.
Chewy did that? No,
Yes.
I think a cat did.
Yeah, no, Chewy did.
No, oh, Chewy.
Yeah, when-
I don't know why I thought Chowder.
10.
Is that where the other
Yes.
he lost one of his Crocs, couldn't find it? I think Chewy like took it. So Chewy has also burrowed a hole in the couch, and he goes
He tried to
up.
put it up into
Yeah.
the couch.
My cat.
The red cat, the crazy one.